Hello there. Thank you for choosing L&C or Lengua y Cultura to learn Spanish. This is the registration process. First of all, you go to courses and you click there and you're going to get the different types of courses we have. Let's use the most popular program that we have. This is the intensive course. The description is 3 hours per day with a break in between Monday to Friday. And currently, this is the price, $149 US. So if you book 3 weeks or more, you get a 10% discount. And also, what you have to do first is number one is contact us if you're a total beginner. That means you don't know a single word of Spanish. You need to be with people who doesn't know, people who don't know any Spanish at all. So that's why you need to click here and send us an email, or call us, give us a WhatsApp message, or fill out this form. But if you already know some Spanish, no matter how much, but you're not at zero, then you can take a test, especially if you have studied before formally, not just learned on your own. And you can use this link to choose the number of weeks and then check out. Or if you would like to go all the way through the whole process, number 3 and number 4, there's more information to take into consideration. There's also the frequently asked questions for other details that you might want to find out about. But if you are ready, what you do is you go down here and you choose number of weeks. Maybe you would like to take 3 weeks, and the start date is here. So probably you would like to start on September the 18th this year, 23. And then you choose a schedule. Probably you would like the morning schedule. So you click there, and finally you need to say which level you're at the moment. So if you are a pre-intermediate and your level is A 2.1, you choose that one. If you took the test that we refer to here, then you will know for sure what your current level is. This test works only on computers, so if you take it, make sure it's on a computer. Doesn't work on iPhones or Android smartphones. Okay, once you have completed all this information, you can read a little bit more of the description here, what this is about, how it works. And once you have all the information, you can check out. You click on Add to Cart. You're going to get the box, the checkout cart. And if you have PayPal account, you're going to go directly all the way down and then use PayPal Express and check out. If not, you're going to have to fill in all this information. The asterisks are mandatory information. And once you're ready, then you just click and check out here. This is credit or debit card, and this is a different choice. And finally, but it's also credit card. And finally, that's the process. You will receive a confirmation email directly from our administrator within 24 hours. Besides the confirmation of the payment automatically issued by the system. Okay, so this is the process. Follow us here for information, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram as well. Yeah, this is Marco Telles, and thank you very much for choosing L&C Spanish to learn Spanish in Mexico City.